Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So XRP is trying to carve out this bottom. There is a negative thing I'm going to show you here. I'll show you everything. Okay, so we've got the 10 EMA coming down. As like I said to you, that's primary resistance. I think that if you start to close above that, you could pretty much guarantee that you're going to be retesting the 20, sorry, which is a yellow line. And then obviously, if you close above the 20, again, I think your next level of resistance is the red line. And that's how it all works. Okay, so you're slowly trying to come up through these EMAs here, but it's zero guarantees, because there is a potential bearish pattern that's forming here. I'm going to show you. So like I said to you just there, the 10 is key resistance. This is your key support right now. Look at this support of a potential, bottoming out structure here, potential ascending triangle over a long period of time. You start to see this pattern emerge, it's going to look quite impulsive to the upside for a little break to retest these key levels of resistance that you've melted through as support right there for XRP. Okay, so like I said to you, at this point here, when we rolled, I said to you, this is a really good entry point for you, because I think that what you've got is a potential retracement to that level of support, because you've melted through it just there. Okay, like I said to you, bulls make money, bears make money, and from that low just there, if we do start to come up, you're looking at a minimal 88% opportunity on XRP right there. Okay, and it's doing everything it needs to, but it's just slow, long, boring and frustrating, and that's exactly what I said it would be. Okay, because bottoms are messy. So again, there's no guarantees, because obviously this could be a correction, this could be another start of another impulsive move to the downside for XRP. It's all about support and resistance. So what we are getting is that the confirmation right now, this 10 being key resistance that we're struggling to get through. So this is actually going to force something here. Like I said to you, the EMA is a boss. Get them into your charts. Okay, at this point you went vertical, said to you, you're too overextended, your gaps are too big, you're going to start to tighten them up, and this is exactly what you're doing. Look at the gap between the 10 and the 55 EMA there. The red line is the 55 and the 20 is the 20, not the 10. The 20 is the yellow line. Okay, the EMA is a boss. There's a tutorial in the video description, in each and every single video description, on how to use EMAs and how to put them in your charts. Okay, primarily I just use 10 free, sorry, I keep saying 10, sorry. So there's something that's coming. Like I said to you, compression leads to expansion. We're getting the 10 coming down, we're holding this ascending level support. There's going to be something that gives here. Now if XRP loses this, you could say, okay, well, what we've got is an impulsive wave, corrective wave, and another impulsive wave which loses that low. So at that point, what you do, you come onto your charts, wherever this low, the high is, and it starts to come down. If it loses that low, you've got a minimal 1618 target, and I've taught you that. Okay, it's not doing it yet. Now there is a potential bearish pattern as well as a bullish pattern that's starting to carve out here. So you can see this level of support is where you found resistance. Okay, and in this instance, what you're doing, you're starting to carve out some kind of reversal pattern, an ascending triangle, potentially break that resistance, boom, you're on the yellow line, which is 20, close above the 20, boom, you're on that red line, which is a 55, and that key level of previous support that you've lost now. Okay, then you need to backtest the resistance, in my opinion, and I think down the line for XRP regardless. 55 cents, that sort of area right there. Okay, break that, wow, super bullish. If you start to see XRP closing this white line and closing the red line, closing above like that, that's an extremely bullish statement from XRP, and it would indicate to me, wherever you've come from, that's confirming that is your bottom right now for XRP. Okay, so if it is the case, like I've said to you, I think you're looking at minimal $6 up here. $6, where is it? $6.48, absolute minimal target for me, where I would definitely look to take some profit on these swings going up basically for XRP. But again, there's no guarantees, because what we do need to see here is the break of the structure, the resistance broken out, take out these levels of resistance, close and back test of support, tighten all these EMAs up, start to create the bullish crosses here off the lows, and it's going to start to look quite impulsive. Now the bearish pattern, this is a potential bearish pattern I'm seeing right now. Okay, some kind of descending triangle. Let me try and get as many trend line touches as possible, and this is what you do on your charts. Okay, so this is a potential bearish pattern. I'm going to show you everything I find. So if we use the wicks right now, this could be a level of resistance. So this is a high, this is a high, and right now if you rally and you run into this resistance, you start to come back and lose this low, this will start to carve out something called a descending triangle. So let's drop a horizontal level of support in just there. Okay, so there's all sorts of patterns within patterns that start to emerge. So this is the bearish scenario, because this is quite a bearish pattern that could start to form. So just there you can see you've got this level of support, this level of resistance, and equally this sloping level of resistance. So if you start to come up and do something like that and lose that support just there, it could be a big warning sign, because obviously you're losing this ascending triangle. See this? You're losing that ascending triangle. I need to draw different colors. One sec, so I can help you better understand what I'm looking at right now. Okay, so bear with me. So yeah, the green lines here, that represents an ascending triangle, a lovely W double bottom pattern down there, okay, where you curl up towards the apex and you start to break out. It's going to look impulsive. The bearish scenario is that you've got this ascending horizontal level support just there, okay, for XRP, where your candles are closing and opening like that, okay, and then what you've got these wick highs. So if, for example, you start to see XRP rally into this red line and close, you know, inside of it again, and starts to come down and loses this red line here, and especially starts to close outside that green line, it could indicate that what you've got here is a compression pattern, okay, which is a bearish compression pattern looking for continuation, you know, for XRP. So this is something we need to keep an eye on. Like I said to you, there's all patterns within patterns. So right now you're sort of caught in a potential bullish pattern, which is a reversal pattern here on the green. Do you see that on the green level of resistance and support, or the potential of an descending triangle here where you're crawling up? Either way, you know, you're going to get really close to the apex of the green pattern or really close to the apex of the red pattern. The red pattern's bearish, the green pattern's bullish. So something's going to give, okay, like I said to you, patience is key. Something will give eventually, okay. So hope you enjoyed that update. We'll keep an eye on these levels of resistance going forward for XRP, but right now, if XRP is looking to break out, you know, you need to see a break above that green line, closing above that, especially on the weekly time frame here. You know, closing above a 10 could give a game away that you're starting to come up. Your next level of resistance, again, is the 20 EMA, just there. Do you see that? And if you start to take that out, boom, 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 you're up there, aren't you? And that 80% trade that we're looking at from that low is going to be fruitful right there for XRP. And again, there's no guarantees. I wish I could tell you absolutely with a certainty what it's going to do. And like I said to you last week, I think, you know, if you start to see XRP closing below that, bearish, closing above that, bullish. Hope you enjoyed that update. Take care, everyone. Back soon with another update on XRP. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.